Hello and welcome to the Howbiz Solutions Podcast. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic that will help you improve your marketing strategies. We are going to discuss how your competitors can teach you marketing. At Howbiz Solutions, we are a digital marketing and website solutions agency located in Toronto, and we are here to help you navigate the digital world of marketing. But sometimes, the best way to learn is from your competitors. Let me explain. When you are in business, you are in a constant race to be better than your competitors. You want to outdo them in every way possible, and that includes your marketing strategies. But what if I told you that your competitors could teach you valuable lessons about marketing that could help you improve your own strategies? First, let's take a look at what your competitors are doing. Check out their website, social media profiles, and any other online presence they may have. Take a look at the type of content they are posting, how they are promoting their products or services, and the language and tone they are using. Once you have a good understanding of what your competitors are doing, it's time to analyze it. Look at what they are doing well and what they are not doing well. Then, use that information to improve your own marketing strategies. For example, if your competitor is doing a great job of engaging with their audience on social media, take note of the type of content they are posting and the way they are engaging with their followers. You can then use that information to improve your own social media strategy and engage with your audience in a more effective way. But it's not just about copying what your competitors are doing. It's about taking what they are doing well and making it your own. Use the information you gather to improve your own marketing strategies and find ways to differentiate yourself from your competitors. In conclusion, your competitors can be a valuable resource when it comes to improving your marketing strategies. Take a look at what they are doing, analyze it, and use that information to improve your own strategies. Remember, it's not about copying what they are doing, but about making it your own and finding ways to differentiate yourself from your competitors. That's it for today's episode of the Howbiz Solutions Podcast. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.